like, oh, God, Preston. Shoot, girl. Are you taking a video again?
The first one didn't take.
Ah. Look. Put a little moo moo on there. Oh my goodness.
Tip her up just a little bit so we can see her mouth. Put her closer.
He's a grouchy one. Oh no. Oh no, dude. Here. Marlene.